Hi beautiful people, if this is your first time of watching my videos, my name is Mariam Adepoju, aka Mariah, aka Chassis Flowers or Chassis Everything, or you simply call me Chassis. If you didn't know, now you know. Guess what guys, I finally hit 1,000 subscribers in 6 months. Thank you so much guys. Like, yeah, I couldn't have made this far without you guys. So this is a thank you video, and I really cannot tell you what it means to have so much incredible support from each and every one of you. Without you all, it wouldn't have been possible. So from the bottom of my heart, I want to say big thank you to you guys. Thank you so much. Like, thank you so much guys. Like, oh, you want to make me shed those tears. Thank you guys. Thank you. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. I can't even contain my joy, my excitement. Thank you so much. You to every single one of you that has supported this video. I have spilled the beans and shared all my tips. Do you have a YouTube channel? Are you thinking of starting a YouTube channel? Shared all my tips and strategies on how I was a YouTube channel, and you haven't uploaded in a very long. Oh yeah, click on the subscribe button. Share this video with your friend, mommy student, and a YouTuber girl. Okay, so click on the. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. I love you. Thank you so much to all the subscribers, to all the viewers, to the sharers, to the commenters, and my fellow YouTubers as well. Thank you so much, and respect to you all. I'd like to thank you for following me on my journey. I know that 1,000 YouTube subscribers is nothing compared to some other big YouTubers, but the feeling of helping out people and receiving your beautiful comments to continue is really something that keeps me engaged and puts a smile on my face. Like, oh my God, I'm really grinning from ear to ear. Thank you guys. I see you and I appreciate you so much. The more activity I see on my YouTube channel, the more motivated I feel, really. And 1K subscribers, it might be nothing compared to other bigger channels, but to all of you super dope Chassis family out there, I promise you that I will treat each subscriber with respect. Being one or thousands or millions. Yes, we are getting there. Let's go guys. So in this video, I will be talking about how I got my 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Giving you 10+1 tips, actually giving you 20 tips on how I grew my channel. I'm sure this is not your first video that you watched about growing your YouTube channel. You know I don't know how to herd information. Now it's your girl. So let's get right into it. I know you've heard so many times that, oh, you must have a good personality, you must be consistent, yada yada yada. They don't give you guys the real game, the real tips, and I'm here to ginger you guys and show I will show you everything uncut. So come with me, let's go. So you know what, whatever it is that your YouTube goals are, I am here to help you. So you know what, just stick around till the very end. You know your girl is not here to play now. Hey, not be cherry. I'm not here to play. One more thing I'm gonna say is I have a story embedded in this video, so just wait and watch me unfold the gist. So let us go. So let's get straight into today's business. Number 1, upload consistently. Yes, you have to being consistent is actually hard, and I'm going to make a video on how to be consistent in whatever it is that you do, and how I've been able to stay consistent on YouTube. So stick around, like watch out for the video. I already mentioned number 1 is to be consistent. Number 2, be audible. Like, don't whisper. I don't want to hear you saying, okay, so hi guys, what's up with you? How are you doing? Speak! And you don't speak with your bedroom, you don't talk in your bedroom voice. You know, speak up. Speak up, speak clearly so that people can hear you. Don't whisper or talk silently. Tip number 3, use social media to promote your videos. Hey, I'm talking about Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram bio, Twitter. It doesn't matter if you have just 2 followers on Twitter. Promote anyways. You never know who is watching, you never know who is clicking, you never know who is, subscribing. So please go ahead and keep on promoting. Number 4, use your description, fill it up. And a big part of growing your channel is search engine optimization. Put in your title, your keywords, your description. Tip number 5, use tags, and more tags. Basically, you use tags to get more viewers to watch your videos and rank among the number 1 on YouTube. Like, get a different computer, like perform this experiment, get a different computer now, search for your videos, like type in the title of your videos and see if your video is gonna come up. So you need tags. It is with the aid of tags that you can feature among the top 10 or the first page on Google or on YouTube. I am about to spill the beans. Yay! Have you heard about TubeBuddy? What did I say? TubeBuddy. Ah, TubeBuddy is that thing, man. If you are a YouTuber and you don't use TubeBuddy, you are on a long thing. You just keep working and working, and only you and your family members will be watching your YouTube videos. I have said it, now I said it. Without wasting time, go ahead. There is a link. Use my link. Oh yeah, download TubeBuddy right now on your Google Chrome on your computer. Now use my link. I have my own link in the description. Use my own affiliate link to download TubeBuddy and thank me later. I know lots of YouTubers will not tell you this one, but me, I will tell you. Trust me now. It's your girl Chassis, and you know I don't know how to earn information. You know I said that from the beginning. So Biko, go ahead, download your TubeBuddy. Use my link and thank me later. If you have questions, feel free to DM me. I'm your humble girl. I'll be more than happy to help you, if you have any questions regarding that. So use my affiliate link and download the TubeBuddy. Don't dull yourself. You know what time it is, guys. You know what time it is. Number 9, have a set intro and outro. You know my own intro is, hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chassis, and I'm here with another exciting episode of Life and Business Hacks with Chassis Everything. So have a page, like have a set theme that you use that, whenever people log onto you can decide to switch it sometimes, just in case it get boring or anything like that. Number 10, don't just shoot your videos. Don't just publish your YouTube videos and go to sleep. Are you Beyonce? Like seriously, let us face the facts. Are you Beyonce? So please don't forget, once you drop your videos, share it on social media platforms. Always remind yourself. And if you are confused, play this video to remind yourself of all of these points that I've listed in my video. Number 11, join Facebook groups and promote your YouTube videos and promote your YouTube channel. Number 12, post trending topics. Post trending topics and videos and add your own twist to it. Add your own swaggy, like, hey, girl. And then number 13, engage with your audience and heart all your comments. Like, heart every single one of them. Like, use the love sign on every single comment. Number 14, comment on other people's videos and show your support as well. Number 15, make YouTube friends. Like, make friends who are also YouTubers. You guys are going to be supporting one another. Number 16, have a good video and audio quality. I am currently using a Shure, Shure microphone and tripod. You can find it, on Amazon. So I'll put the link somewhere in the description below. So if you are interested, you can just, go ahead and use my link to purchase it. Number 17, have good ring lights, or studio lights. And if you don't have one, you can just come out, shoot in the sunlight, which is okay. Like, the sun is the best light you can ever get, So that is the life hack. Number 18, if you'll be shooting indoors, make sure that you shoot right in front of the windows, so that you can also take advantage of the sun rays and shoot during the day, like most of the time, Number 19, don't be afraid of criticism. So you have to develop a thick skin when you are starting a YouTube channel, because you always have people that will come in to yab you. They will insult you. Hey, I have been roasted on so many occasions when I first started my channel. Like, some people will come and say, what is this? What kind of angle is this? So develop that thick skin. People will come and bash you, but all of you will be all right. Last. Yes, so you see this YouTube, we are going to make it together on this YouTube channel. I am not here to play, and we are not here to play. Nabi, are you here to play? Tell me, are you here to play? I trust you guys are not here to play. We're all here to win real big. So number 20, have a good editing app. I used to use Splice for my editing, but it was expensive. I was just investing way too much. And someone told me about InShot app, which I am currently using, but I think Filmora Go is better than this InShot app, so I hope to switch. Much like I already paid for a year subscription, full subscription on InShot, to take away the watermarks and remove all the everything that makes it look unprofessional. So you don't want watermarks on your YouTube videos for any reason. No, it's not perfect. It doesn't speak well about you as a brand if you're building a personal brand. Look, I want to tell you something. Don't get depressed though. If you're putting in a lot of content and no one is watching your videos, don't compare yourself to other big YouTubers. You see, they were once at your level. So keep promoting yourself and never stop calling your friends, and reminding people to watch your videos. Just don't worry about it. You're gonna be fine. Number 21, sweet people. Hey, number 20. You have to pay me for this one. Join networking events, Zoom meetings, Clubhouse, join events and let them feel you. When they feel you, you tell them about your channel, and before you know it, they will go and support. Like, hey. Okay, number next, have good thumbnails. Have a nice channel layout, banner, a consistent theme across your channel. Oh yeah, let me share my true life story. When I started this channel, I shot my first video about over 30 times before I could find one to use. It was bad. Hey, it was crazy. I started asking myself, look, is this thing cut out for you? I would shoot from 12 in the morning, 12 a.m. till 6 a.m. in the morning, because I had to shoot when my kids were sleeping. My kids, I cannot shoot in that house with those kids. They will come and disturb. They will take over the shooting from me. So big kokwano. So at this point, I want to give a big shout out to my friend Maureen Gatihi for inspiring me to start this channel. She's not on social media. She doesn't like all the pepe. But man, Maureen, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much. You are a true Christian sister. You have demonstrated true Christianity to me. Thank you so much. I see you, and your support is God bless you, sis. And I also want to say big thank you to my sister Fatia. Hey, $, please get your hot wigs from her. Get your nice hairdo from her. Shadows on Instagram. I'll leave her link in the description as well. I want to say big thank you to my Oga. Hey, my friend Shay, my friend. Thank you so much, YTB, Yetunde Balogun. Thank you so much. I also want to say big thank you to Mal Signature here. Thank you. You rock. Thank you, Biola Moto. Thank you, Gab's World, Gabriela. You are a phenomenal woman. Thank you for your support. You support my fashion business. You support me. You support my dreams. You are the bomb. Thank you. And I also want to say thank you, a big thank you to Sade Princess. Oh, please go follow Sade Princess on YouTube. That lady has support. Hey, is gangster. Thank you, sis. I see you. And as a matter of fact, she was chatting me while I'm shooting this video, where I haven't been able to respond to her. So sis, I got your back. I got you. Thank you, Uncle Tosin Ogunjimi. Thank you so much. Those are my in-laws, my wonderful in-laws. And thank you to my wonderful husband. Thank you, Sahid. You are the best boo in the world. Thank you. Thank you so much for your support. I love you to bits. God bless you for me. Thank you. I also want to use this opportunity to say big thank you to Mrs. Boloff, my Oga. Thank you so much. I see you. And I also want to say big thank you to Lucy Carano. Oh my God, sis, you are the best. Thank you so much for your support. Like, I adore you, just so you know. Thank you so much. My love to Skylar. And I also want to say big thank you to my mom for sharing my videos on all her social media platforms. She is a Muslim and she shares it on all her Islamic groups. Thank you so much, mommy. I love you. And then a big thank you to my mother-in-law. You are the best. Like, thank you so much, mommy. I love you so much. I also want to say thank you to Girl to Mom. Oh my goodness, this lady, she's on point. Please subscribe to her channel. She is also a YouTuber. Girl to Mom. Just type in Girl to Mom on YouTube and she will pop right in. She is always making senses. So if I didn't mention your name here, thank you, Sister Mayo. I appreciate you as well. Please follow Twinkle Tani on YouTube. Support my princess's YouTube channel, please. I'll leave the link right there in the description below. Please support these people. They are the bomb. So here's my next tip: research. So depending on your niche, please make sure that you do enough research. Like, do a lot of research before you put out content, out there, because I see a lot of YouTubers all in the bid of getting views. They literally have a solution to everybody's health problems, and they are not certified medical practitioners. You don't want to feed people with wrong information and rob them of their time, their valuable time, by putting out false information to the world. You want to research as much as possible before we put out content to the whole world. And no shades intended. So guys, if you have been putting in content, please do not be discouraged. I know it's a lot of work. I know from filming to editing to putting the video out there to getting the tags, the title, making sure that your SEO is on point. Just keep at it. And I draw my inspirations as well from Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast was on YouTube for 5 years. Like, he shot back to back for 5 years and no views, and on the 5th year he blew up. Mr. Beast is one of the biggest YouTube earners in the world today. And there is this chick I stumbled on, Mercy Gono. She is on point. Like, the girl is gingering my brain. Like, hey, she's on point. So Biko Pano, please follow her. Support this chick, my Liberian sister. She started, I think, 2 years ago. Last year, according to her, she celebrated 100,000 subscribers in December. by this time last year, and now she's on 1.1 million subscribers. Like, hey girl, you're killing it. And thank you for inspiring us with your beautiful story, and shout out to your lovely daughter and your wonderful husband. God bless you. Mercy Gono. I know a lot of viewers don't have an idea of the time and effort that it takes to produce just one YouTube video. You know, the process of filming, editing, not beans, it's not chereware. So please be kupano. And then the editing part is gangster. So if you're thinking of starting your YouTube channel, I actually started my YouTube channel in this pandemic. I'm giving credits. I'll give the credit to my friend Maureen Gatihi. Thank you so much for inspiring me to start my channel. She literally came to my house that day, and then I showed her a video I made, you know, because I'm a fashion designer. I made a video on how to tie your head wraps. I was making head wraps and face masks, you know, at the time, you know, so I showed her a video that I made. Like, so I made a tutorial video on how to tie the head wrap and face mask, and she was like, this should be on YouTube. I'm like, what are you talking about? Please, I beg, I don't, no YouTube. She was like, no, you should start a channel today. I said, no. She said, start a channel today. Like, I said, today, what do I think about this? She said, no, start before you're ready. I said, babes, you're just telling me now what do. She said, start a channel. And that was how I started the channel that day. I will never forget. Yeah, I started and I never looked back. Like, I shot every week back to back. I've been consistent. Like, not, it has, like, I haven't dropped the ball. Like, and I'm not planning to do that. Never. So thank you so much, Maureen Gatihi. I also want to say big thank you to my friend. Thank you, Silly Fool. Thank you. I'm gonna spill the real deal now. So just in case you are like, how do I do this? Look, let me tell you. Let me share my story. Hey, when I started the channel, I would shoot like each time. I shot every week, you know, but a lot of things go into place. Like, a lot of things happen before I shoot those videos. First, I was having panic attacks. Oh my god, I have to shoot another video this week. How do I do it? What is the content? What do I say? What do I, you know? See, you have to break the ice, you know, facing the camera and talking, and once you break that ice, you are good to go. Like, every week I literally think like I'm dead. You know, I experience this crazy anxiety, you know, every week at the time when I first started. So I started shooting like 15 times, you know. When you shoot the same video about 15 times and then you're able to pick just one out of the 15, you're like, oh my god, what is going on? You're like, am I cut out for this? Is this my thing? Can I really do this? Can I excel on YouTube? Like, it is so hard. Like, it was really hard for me at the beginning, but guess what, I was able to break through. Like, and today I can proudly tell you, I shoot my videos once and I edit it once, and I have my videos ready for my viewers. And guess what, I have enough content. This is December 2020, right? And I have enough content till May 2020. I have already shot all the videos. Yes, I don't need to shoot any videos, but I still keep working. I still keep grinding anyways. I've already shot the videos, I have edited them, and they are ready on YouTube. I have uploaded these videos on YouTube. All I need to do is just to click on publish, like every Monday, and then the video goes out. Yes, so if I can do it, you can do it too. Yes. So if you need an accountability partner or an accountability coach, I am right here. Yes, so just send me an email and let's discuss. So I'm going to release a get to know me video very soon, so start to bombard me with all your questions. If you have questions for me, please ask. So start to bombard me with those questions. Don't worry, I have a thick skin. Oh yeah, be nice with your questions too. Be kupano. So go ahead and ask all your questions. So I'm going to make a get to know me video and answer all the questions. I will address all of the questions one by one. Know that some YouTubers actually make only 2 videos and then they blow up with just 2 videos, and you ask yourself, oh my god, I've made 15 videos, I've made 20, I've made 30, I've made 50 videos. What if your 70th video is the video that will blow up? What if your 70th video is the video that is going to have 50 million views or 100 million views? Would you keep on producing? Would you keep on making YouTube videos, or would you stop at 15? Whereas it's gonna happen when you get to 70. If someone were to whisper to you or tell you or have a glimpse into your future and tell you, hey, your 70th video is the video that's gonna blow, so are you gonna keep making your videos, or are you gonna stop at 15? You don't want to do that. You want to keep at it, you know. So be consistent, and I want to encourage you today, just keep at it, you know, be consistent, and the sky is your starting point. You will get there, I tell you. But one thing I'm going to say is put in as much energy on every single video that you shoot. You can't afford to slack on one video and not take the next video really serious. So I want to implore everyone, put in all you have, and the sky is going to be your starting point. Look, I film even when I'm sick. There was a time a few months ago I was preparing for a surgery, like I was really ill. Look, I film even when I'm sick. Yes, I shoot videos even when I'm sick, but you guys don't get to know. You don't get to see all of that. I shoot when I'm sick and when I'm in great pains, So what I tell myself is, as long as I can talk and I find myself, alive the next morning, and I realize that I can still talk, please, I go ahead and I shoot my videos. So what I want to implore you to do, start creating content and start being consistent. You make sure that you use every single tip that I've mentioned in this video. Use every tip that I have shared in this video, and I promise you, your channel will start to grow. You just watch and tell me later. I am very certain that you will get that. If this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Please click on the subscribe button and leave your comments as well. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, go hit on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so that you will get notified every single time I drop my video. Hey Chassis family, if you have questions for me, send me a DM on Instagram or leave a comment. Ask all your questions because I'll be making a get to know me video very soon. Hey. Don't see me as that YouTuber or as a YouTuber. Don't see me as a YouTuber. I am a real person. Yes, so I respond to my DM. So please go ahead and So these are my real tips. So feel free to hit me on Instagram. I'll be doing a Q&A session very, very soon. Oh yeah, ask your questions and please be nice. I promise to answer your questions to the best of my capacity. So join me on my journey to 100,000 subscribers. Let's make it happen, guys. Yes, so I know we can do it together. Please feel free to share this video with your friends. I love you all. Let me know how I can support you as well. Thank you again for everything. Keep winning and keep shining, guys. For those of you that are interested in my Facebook group, it is called Business Moguls. We help to inspire business people to take their business ideas to the next level. So if you're interested in joining my Facebook group, please go ahead and click on the link in the description below. I'll be more than happy to have you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Till I see you again in my next video. Keep winning and keep shining. Mwah!